Hey YouTube, it's Kharyzma and I have an unboxing for you guys. Today I'm so excited. My package has arrived. As you can see by the title, you know what company this is from. What I love about them, my address is on the front so I'm not going to show you, is they mail it in a plain box so that you can't tell what's in it, so that's pretty good. And so I'm going to open up my Chanel package. I'm so excited. Okay, so I already tore off this part. I honestly was just gonna open it and do the unboxing tomorrow, but I was like, you know what? Let me just do it today. I just finished shooting 2 promo videos for 2 brands that I'm working with. So it's really late, but I had to go and get my package after I was done with my work. So, okay. So this is what it's looking like. Ooh. I love the presentation. Look at that. Oh. This is the box right here, and then I'll show you what was underneath the box. Of course, this right here that says Chanel. So I'm gonna put the box down. We'll look at this first. So we all know the holiday season is here, and last year I found out about the little things that Chanel does, because I didn't start getting into Chanel until I think it was like 2019, 2020, and then I just fell in love. And I learned about some of their gift sets that they have during the holidays. Last year, during this time, they had the gift set, but I wasn't able to get it in time because they sell out very quickly. So let's open this, and this is just the cards and stuff like that, your receipts and everything like that. And it tells you the samples, whatever. So we'll see that in a minute. The guest of honor, what we've all been waiting for. And you know what, the good thing about this too is that they said that it was on pre-order. So I literally got this week. I ordered it, and it came in like 2 days. I feel like I ordered it like 3 days ago, 2 or 3 days ago. So, and they had said that it was gonna come for like November 1st or something, that first week in November. But today is October 21st, and it came. So it came in like 2 or 3 days. I'm like, I was pleasantly surprised because I was not expecting this to come. Okay, and so there you go. This is the little card that comes with it. It just comes with a note, and it's private, so I'm not going to share the note, but that's the note that comes with it. And then, see the little sticker right there. And I'm going to open it up and look at all the packaging. Look at that. So pretty. So pretty. For the holidays, this is so cute. So let me take this out. These are probably the samples. So it comes in a nice little Chanel pouch. And I'll show you the samples that I got. I got the mascara 10 Noir. I've used this before because I've gotten samples from when I purchased from Chanel before, and I love it. And of course, my favorite, COCO Mademoiselle Chanel. I have the Intense, and this is not the Intense, but this one is still good just the same. I'm actually due for a new bottle, so I'm probably gonna be gifted one for Christmas, so I'm not gonna worry about it. My bottle is almost done, but I'm just happy to have, I got this sample, and I actually have another sample that someone gave me last week, so I'm excited. I'm covered. I know I'm gonna get my Mademoiselle Chanel Intense for the holidays gifted to me, so I'm not gonna worry about it. So yeah, this is so cute, and it goes in this little pouch. And when I'm traveling, I like to use this pouch for, you know, little toiletries and everything like that. Plus it says Chanel on it in black, so it's just so cute to have. So I have a couple of these. So the box just has this. So it's a wonderful, beautiful gift set if you want to purchase for yourself or for someone else. These are sold out as of now, but they will be restocking. So when they come back out again, make sure you get yours. But first you gotta see what you're getting. This is the Hydration On Hand Essentials set. It says nourish the delicate skin on your hands and lips with 2 portable moisturizing products. And the set includes the Creme main texture rich Nourish, and Protect, Brighten, and Rouge Cocoa Balm, the hydrating conditioning lip balm, presented in an elegant pouch. So this is what it's looking like. It's white and shiny, very glossy with the red CCs on it. It looks like a little bit of red stardust if you're catching that on the camera. I already see the little peekaboo. I'm excited. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I'm so excited. Okay, let me hold it this way. So, comes like this. Oh my gosh. Let me look at it. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It comes in red, and this is like a grayish beige. It's more gray though. Let me show you. It has the Chanel logo here, and it's like the Chanel, you know, tweed pattern for their sweaters and everything like that. So I thought it was really, really cute. Last year's version of these little pouches had hooks on them, and a lot of the women were like doing DIY projects where they purchased handles from Amazon or straps, and then they connected it to the little things that it had here and made it into a bag. And this year, I'm guessing Chanel found out, like saw lots of women doing it online, because you know they watch our videos, because that's how they get ideas from us, and they know how to market to us. They watch our videos. Oh yeah, they watch. And they probably decided, oh, this year we're not gonna put the little hooks, but guess what? You can still DIY it, because I saw some DIYs for this one with people putting them on, and I'll leave some links in the description. I'm not yet sure if I'm gonna DIY this one to add the handles, but this is just so cute. It has gold Chanel right here, and then the zipper all the way around, and on the zipper it says Chanel. Yeah, you can see that right there. So let's open up the gift set. Zipper's pretty strong. The material on this is pretty good. I think this is a really good price. Like if you didn't want to spend Chanel money for a Chanel bag or their little items, this is a wonderful little piece of Chanel that you can get that's a pouch that you can travel with. You can also turn this into a mini bag with the DIYs. I'll leave the links in the description, and you're not gonna have to pay the, you know, expensive price. This wasn't that pricey. I think it was $100 and something, but not just for the pouch. You're getting the gift set, and these are the things inside. Let me show you. They're wrapped up in there, so we're gonna take them out. We have this and this. So this is the hand moisturizer, and this is the lip balm. Now you guys know I sell lip gloss. I have my own brand of lip gloss. So this is lip balm, so I could probably put this on and then put my gloss over. But I'm gonna do a separate what fits in my bag for this. So right now this is just the unboxing, so I'm just showing you what is coming inside. So please stay tuned, because I will do another video of what fits inside. Yeah, and then inside is this little Chanel tag right there and just stuffing. So it's a pretty good little pouch. This is a nice little accessories pouch. Again, I'll open it up. So this is the Creme Texture Rich Hand Cream. OMG, I never had Chanel hand cream before, so I'm excited. You see, this is shaped like an egg, and I will do a separate video on this, but right now this is just the unboxing, so I just want to show you. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. And it looks so bougie. Like, it's all white. It says Chanel here in black. And yeah, I know my ring light is kind of bright, but yeah, it smells good. I'm not going to use it now. I'm just showing you what's inside. Here is the lip balm. They wrapped it up really nice. It's in this Chanel. You can't see, but it's in white. It says Chanel, Chanel, Chanel all around. So pretty. This is the lip balm. See the CCs. It's black with gold. And that's it right there. So you would just turn it up from here. And that's the lip balm. So nice. And smell. It smells so nice. It's a soft smell. Really, really nice. I've never purchased any lip products from Chanel. No hand products, just, but this is really, really pretty. So that's what comes with the set. And again, this is the pouch for the samples. This is the bag. You can fit this stuff in here. Put these in your, when you're traveling. This is wonderful for traveling. You want to be bougie when you're traveling. You want to look cute. This is so cute. I love this purchase. It is so worth it, and I highly recommend it. This is a wonderful like little starter into Chanel. If you wanted to gift yourself something or give something to someone else, this would be a great gift for the holidays, because it's like you're getting a little bit of luxury, but you're not breaking the bank. And it's just so cute, so stylish, so bougie, so luxurious. And yeah, so that's my unboxing of the Chanel gift set. This also comes in red. I'm not sure if it comes in black. I think last year it was black and red and some other color. This year it's this beige type of gray. It's more gray than beige, but it's just so pretty with the gold zipper, and it's pretty. I'm really, really happy. So definitely continue to watch my videos, because I'm going to show you, I'm going to do an update on the what's fits in here, and then I'll do a separate video for the actual products. I'll use them and let you know what I think about them, and then I will do a styling video for this, probably to show you guys how I style this. So you guys, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I post videos very, very frequently, and if you have a video request, please put it in the comments and I'll do my best to get that to you. But again, I do videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, and a little bit of everything else. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Kharyzma for You Style and Kharyzma for You Fashion, because my style page, I style my outfits, I show you all types of stuff. I do reels and stuff like that. So definitely head on over to my Instagram, my website, kharyzmaforyou.com, for my lip gloss and my personal cosmetics that I sell. And thank you to those who have been supporting. I really, really appreciate you. And my Etsy shop for my hair accessories, etsy.com/shop/Kharyzma for You. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all.